Good evening, welcome back to Blue Ridge Silverhound, and before we get started, if you enjoyed tonight's content, help a brother out and give me a like on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Blue Ridge Silverhound. The subscribe button is down below, or you can wait till the end of the video where you're going to see the button overlay right on the video screen. But today we're going to talk about one of the earliest well-known double dies that have been around for decades, guys. And not only is this a cherry picker's guide variety, a very well-known one at that, but it is also highlighted in the Red Book. A absolutely phenomenal find if you're able to find one, and they're worth quite a bit of money in just about every grade. But let's go ahead and take a look exactly what we're looking for diagnostically. Here are a couple cutouts, some close-ups, so to speak, of the coin. Okay, it's a 1917 Lincoln wheat cent. This one is the Philadelphia minted version, so there's going to be no mint mark under the date. And as you can see, you're going to have really bold doubling in God We Trust, with a higher emphasis on the word trust, and on the date. The date is going to be your main diagnostic pickup point on this coin, as evidenced by the 1, the 9, and the 7. What's really cool is, even on the lowest grades like good and VG, the biggest pickup point is that 9. It's going to have the double tail on that inside curl. So that's going to be one of the things that you're going to look for when you're searching for one of these well-known double die varieties. Again, like I've said, this coin has been around the block for the better part of half a century, if not longer. This was well known going back into the 30s, maybe even earlier than that, as a variety that, you know, it's become so popular that more and more people are trying to look for these. Now let's talk about where exactly you could find these. I have successfully found one example in Pocket Change. It was back in early 2000s, 2002, 2003-ish, and that was a coin that I subsequently flipped and made a few $100s on. It was a nice low grade, but you can't really complain over a coin that you find in Pocket Change that you're able to sell for a huge amount of money in comparison to its face value. Your best bet on these is going to be wheat cent lots, full bags. You know, I've found a number of these in wheat cent bags, and they're generally overlooked in lower condition. The lower condition coins sell from anywhere from $100 to $300, you know, in that good to high VG type grade. I think even fine could hit somewhere in the higher, you know, $200s, $300 range as well. But you know what? If you're able to cherry pick a really nice, you know, mid-state or even AU specimen, these things sell for many thousands of dollars. So yeah, definitely keep your eye out on one of these coins. They are an absolute monster of a double die. If it wasn't for the 55 and the 69S and even the 1972, this one would be the double die of the Lincoln Cent series. So that concludes our program on this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this fantastic variety showcase. Again, if you enjoyed tonight's content, go ahead and hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. You could always hit the bell down below the video for instant notifications of any future new uploads. You'll gain access to them right away. So I appreciate your guys' time, and you guys have a wonderful evening. You guys keep hunting.